Hey, it's Jen. So today I'm going to be working on the carburetor. I'm going to be rebuilding the carb, which is much cheaper than buying a carburetor. And as I'm a lady on a budget, that's what I've chosen to do. It's been about 25 years since I've rebuilt a carb, but it's just like rebuilding a carb. Come on, it's a bunch of screws, you know. Here's what I'm using. I don't know if you can see that. I just ordered it from my standard auto parts store like O'Reilly's. And this kind of looks like, even though it was, it's designated for the Autolite 4100, it kind of looks like it's just a, catch-all type rebuild kit. So I'm assuming I'm probably gonna have a bunch of little bits left over. But let's see what's in the box.